You are going to love 2005 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, third row seat, quad seating, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.